tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle at only one point. We have already discussed. PQ line intersects the circle at single point. Okay? PQ line it touches the circle at A. So, PQ is the tangent of the circle. See some important points. How many tangents draw from a single point on the circle? This is the circle. This is a one point on the circle. How many tangents draw from a single point on a circle? Okay. What is a tangent? Tangent means line touches the circle at single point. Okay. A line touches the circle at single point is called tangent. Here we can draw only one tangent. Only one tangent. Only one tangent is possible at a point on the circle. Next, how many tangents draw from a point inside the circle? This is the circle, one point inside the circle. How many tangents draw from a point inside the circle? Draw one line. See, this is the tangent. Is it tangent? No. This is a secant. Why? Tangent means a line touches the circle at single point. But in this case, this line touches the circle at 2 points. 2 points on the circle. Okay? So, no tangent is possible from a point in the interior of the circle to the circle. Not possible. Not possible. Next, how many tangents draw from a point outside the circle? See, this is the circle. Suppose this is a point outside the circle. Okay, we can draw see, this line touches the circle at single point and this line touches the circle at single point. It means at most 2 tangents can be drawn from a point in the exterior of the circle to the circle. Okay, at most 2 tangents. Is it clear? See, first question. Only one tangent is possible at a point on the circle. Okay, only one tangent. Next, no tangent is possible from a point in the interior of the circle to the circle. Next, how many tangents draw from a point outside the circle? Okay, at most 2 tangents can be drawn from a point in the exterior of the circle to the circle. Is it clear? Next question. How many tangents are parallel on a single circle? This is a single circle. How many tangents are parallel on a single circle? Tangent means a line touches the circle at one point. Okay. This point is A. This is a PQ line. Next, this is the N line. Touches the circle at single point. Let this point is B. Okay. Here PQ. PQ is parallel to MN. And PQ is tangent of the circle. And MN is the tangent of the circle. Okay. So, two tangents are parallel on a single circle. Okay. Two tangents. Two tangents can be drawn parallel on a single circle. What is the relation between tangent and radius? See, this is the radius of the circle and this is the tangent of the circle. PQ is a line touches the circle at A. Okay. What is the relation between tangent and radius? See. Radii of the circle makes 90 degrees. Angle 90 degrees with the tangent. Okay. Tangent at any point on the circle is perpendicular to the radius passing through the point of contact. Okay. What is the relation? Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Okay. At point of contact. Okay. OA is perpendicular to PQ. Is it clear? Next question. How many tangents are parallel to a secant on the circle? You know secant? Secant means a line touches the circle at 2 points. Okay. A line intersects the circle at 2 points. Suppose this point is AB. This is a PQ line. Okay. Here AB. AB is nothing but chord of the circle. Okay. Chord means line segment. Line segment within the circle. Line segment means it has 2 endpoints. Line segment means it has 2 endpoints. Line segment within the circle is called chord of the circle. Okay. Here PQ. PQ is the secant of the circle. It means PQ line touches the circle at 2 points. So this is the secant of the circle. This is also one secant. This is also one secant. See. This is A dash. Sorry. This is C and D. See, this point is E, F. Here 2 points. 2 points coincide. Okay. So this line touches the circle at single point. Okay. Here this 2 points are coincide. Okay. Here also 2 points coincide. Here 2 tangents two tangents are parallel to a secant on the circle. Here these are the secants of the circle, and see, these two are tangents of the circle. Okay. The tangent to the circle is a special case of the secant. Okay. Tangent. Tangent to a circle. Here, tangent. Tangent to the circle is a special case of the secant. Okay. It means here two endpoints of the secant, two endpoints of chord, its corresponding chord coincide. So, it is called as tangent of the circle. Is it clear? Here two tangents are parallel to a secant on a circle. Okay, two tangents are parallel to secant on the circle.